Hello everyone. So guys, I'm going to start now explanation of the project. So you remember last class we were doing the project one, which is amusement park, and I hope partially it was done. Almost it was done, I think. I think it was done. Can you go remind me, guy, whether it's done or still something was left there?
It was done.
It was done, amusement park, correct? Amusement park we had finished and we had shown you the project report is also there. Okay. So anything, if anything is missed here, no matter, based on the report and once you configure the project, you are going to do that. Okay. So guys, today I'm going to start one project is COVID-19 TMS, COVID-19 Test Management System. What was the test management system? Test steps was involved during giving the COVID report. Okay. So this project is going to handle the patient and its test and different status of the test. Okay. So let's see. So this is a PHP project. This is the PHP project, and here what you see, a lot of files are there. So when you are showing that you have done this project, and this project is
Screen.
yeah, I'm going to share the screen now. When you are going to show that this project you have done, so you should know all about. I hope now it's visible, correct? See, COVID TMS, this project we are going to start. So COVID TMS is COVID Test Management System. So do you see that that time a lot of test was going and a report sample was going to the lab and patient was anyone was able to find or download based on the mobile number. So this is exactly the same process what government had provided you to give the sample or track the sample and track the report. Okay. Or like vaccination, this COVID vaccination. So that was also having same. Based on any time on mobile number, you can get your report. You can get a status. You can apply for the vaccination. Okay. So I think this year we should make COVID vaccination also steps. Fine. So COVID TMS, as the name suggests, COVID Test Management System. Fine, guy. So here I'm going to explain this. So how to run the project? My XAMPP is working. The precautions or pre-steps before I start the project. We have to verify our XAMPP is working. And where is the project? Project is under a folder A projects. Fine. So what is the name of the project, guy? COVID TMS. So fine, let you click here. It is now running. This COVID TMS is running here. Fine. So what is this project? First thing is it has some static information. It has some static information about the COVID-19 testing, about the coronavirus, or about some symptoms or some preventions. These are the static information. When you take this, I suggest you change this banner, you change some content, you change some symptoms, you change some prevention. So where you can change, guy, you change this footer also, correct? Because footer is saying 2021. So in your project, you have to be very comfortable anytime to explain. See this, a lot of file is there, and by default, any PHP page, the first page is index.php. Never it is written that 1.php, it is index.php. By default in PHP, index.php is a default page. So let's open here. So when you open here, you can see what you can see, guy. Here all the heading, labels, CSS, meta tag, okay, some name, take it a smart is there. COVID-19 testing management system, COVID testing. Some menu are there about coronavirus, COVID-19 symptoms. So these are created on some ID. Okay. these are created on some ID in the same page. Okay, you about us you can find. It is not a new page. In the same page, different menu you can create. You may be aware of the one page website, but you can keep separate section about a section. So we have created one ID, and the program is going to search and find and show this. Suppose this website is running, anyone come and click on this. So what is happening about a section? This first top portion got hidden, symptoms. So symptom is there, preventions. So you know guy how it is happening. See here menu is there. Here menu is there, different menu is there. So on click of this menu, it is not going to call different part. In place of that, it is going to call some section. So services section will be there. Let's find services section. So here section ID is services. We created a section ID. Okay, VG light, some background color we give him. If we want to give different background color, we can give different background color. See, about us don't have VG color, but here services have some VG color. So do you find any difference, guy? Yeah, about us is white, but services. So where is the services? Services, we are keeping different content. It is a ID services, but we are keeping different. COVID symptoms. It should be exactly symptoms. You want to change to symptoms, guy? Let's change this to symptoms. So whether it is going to work, okay? Yes, it's going to work. So where else we require to change? Here we are going to make symptoms, okay? Save this, refresh this page. So during the project, we learn about how the web pages is done. Okay, symptoms. So symptoms are going to come. Preventions. So preventions is going to come. So this is just generic information. Anyone who come to the website is going to be, see this photo you can change, any content you can change. All content are here. Whenever you come here, COVID testing, stay home, stay safe, stop. Anytime you want, you can change here. COVID, about COVID, some content is there, you can change anytime. Photo is there, this covering photo you can change. Okay, symptoms is there, some symptoms you have new finding, you can change. Prevention is there, if you have some preventions, you can change. Fine. Next, so copyright is there, and copyright is written here only. If you change to 2022, it is going to be 2022. Okay, here you can keep it blank. Here, there what you can do, you can keep it blank. Here you can keep blank. Fine. Here you can keep it, take it as smart. Fine. So like that footer you can change, guy. When you show your project in college, some customization you do from your side, that is going to give some advantage. Okay. So here copyright we change, and we see jQuery is there, bootstrap is there. So this page is done. Next, what is section, guy? Here we have few more menu. About is there, symptoms is there, prevention is there, user testing is there, and this user testing is not going to call some content from the same page, rather than it's going to call a new page, new user testing.php. So where is this new user testing.php? So new user testing.php, there is a page, guy, here. New user testing.php. So this is a complete PHP page. You go and see here PHP. So this is a PHP page, and it's having also design. So what is going to happen in this page? This is the interest. What user is going to do using this project? Till it I not mention. Till it I shown you the design structure and information this website having. So click on the user testing, guy. So user testing, when anyone, any patient, Any person who want to give his sample, click on the user testing. He will come here. Okay. So he will come here. Here he can provide his name. Fine. So he can provide his name. So here I see from the class, I will be picking from the class, I will be picking someone name. Let's pick someone. Mohan Kumar is there. Okay. So Mohan Kumar, let's pick Mohan. So full name is Mohan Kumar, and he is feeling something symptoms of COVID. So he will provide some number. So let Mohan Kumar have a number in the last 111, because this is going to be unique by mobile number. So for someone I had kept this number, now I'm going to keep this number. Okay. So his name also I can keep, Mohan Kumar. So what he can do, he can register here for sample. So mobile is available for registration. System is validating with the database. Okay. So DOB, some DOB we give, it's fine. It was nothing like that. Person should be 18 years of age, correct? It is nothing like that. Person should be 18 years of age. So any date, let's select guy. We can select any date. So we are selecting here 2010 and something June and some 24 random date. So he will be having ID 345123. This ID and government issue ID 54321. Fine. Address, he is from Bangalore. He required to give complete address here. State is Karnataka. Fine. So which kind of test he is looking? Antigen, RT-PCR. So RT-PCR is selected. Here, which slot he want, when he want, somebody should come and collect. So he is free on 10th and 10th morning session. Okay. 5-6 a.m. Okay. Fine. So this is the time selected. Click on submit. So your test request submitted successfully. Order number is this. Let's keep this order back. Let's keep this order where I can keep. Here I am storing order. Let us store his order. Let it be here. So one patient given his, okay, click on OK. So one patient registered here, and he can come back to the system and he can find the status of the test. A new user, already registered user, or what he can find, test report. So based on mobile number, he is going to find. So whether his mobile number is there, no, this is the number where I had changed to 111. Let's search any status is there. So he is registered here, view detail. So report a status not processed yet. So who is going to process that? Someone from the hospital, someone from the government side person. So where he is going to come? See here. So go to the dashboard, or you come here and admin. So we are going to log into admin. So here we have one admin username and password. The name of the ad is admin and password is guy test@123. Test@123. So login, he can see total test is 11, total assigned is 1. On the way for sample collection, sample collected, fine. So report developed, total registered patient, these are the things. Fine guy. So here what can be done? What can be done here? Testing. So testing is there. On the way to collect sample, fine. Report is there. Between date we can search. Here admin what can do? Try to understand guy. So who are the pathologists will be added here, or he can see who are the pathologists. So these are the person who test the blood sample. Fine. So testing. So anyone is new. So here it's showing these patients are new. So Mohan Kumar name is here and admin is going to see him. So admin see all the detail in which test RT-PCR. So accordingly what admin is going to do, he is going to select someone who are the pathologist, you can say. So Amit Singh, he selected Amit Singh. So assign the pathologist, fine. So now if I log out and go to the user section, log out, fine. Go to the user section, user testing, and go on the test report and search the mobile number. So what we are finding, right? View report. Here it says that report status is assigned and assigned to this user and assigned date is this. Fine, guy. So next, again we are going to log in. See, admin and user is not going to work on same system, correct? Because admin will be somewhere and user is going to be somewhere. So log in here. So what is the username, guy? Admin. And what is the password? Test@123. So I got logged in. Again, testing section will go. So assign. So assign Mohan Kumar has been assigned. So further action is required to be done. So take action. What action he is going to take? Once assigned, on the way for collection, or directly we can make sample collected also. Okay. Again, you can come out and go as a user. So user testing section, test report. This one, search here, view the report. So what you see, sample collected. So now sample is collected. Again, log into the admin. Again, you log into the admin. Explain the admin. Here is admin password is test@123. Fine. Sign in. Testing report. Sample collected, sent to the lab, report delivered, all test. Fine. On the way to sample collection. Okay. Fine. So next we are going to sample collected. So here Mohan Kumar is there. Sample collected. So take action. What action can be taken on sample? Send to the lab. Okay, some remark have to give what user will able to find. So suppose he logged out. When he is on the same different system, no need to log out. Here we are just keeping login out. So no, we want to go to the user section. We want to go to the user section to know the status of our sample what given. So here we see the status, sent to the lab. So okay, he is now eager to know what comes out, correct? So let come here again. In admin login. So here we log into admin. Password is test@123. Test@123. Report. So see the report. Testing report. Sample collected, sent to the lab, report delivered. So sent to the lab. Still the status is sent to the lab, correct? Go there, send to the lab. So take action. Report now getting delivered. So when report deliver means we have to attach the report. So what is report here, guy? Is any report? Yeah, Murli.pdf is there. So report is going to be in PDF. In brief, here we can give report positive, negative. Something we can give in short. Submit. Fine. So report, see, this is the life cycle of the test, guy. So one life cycle of the test has been done. So this is all about the project. It's having two sections, user section and admin section. User can register themselves for giving the blood sample from the government department, from hospital department. They will arrange some people, they will assign this work to someone. That person can keep changing, admin can keep changing the status. Sample will be collected, sample will be sent to the lab, report will be collected, and then report will be uploaded for the user. And user, step by step, he can see. Okay, so this is all about project. So this project having report and this have database. So see the structure. See the structure, guy. So a lot of files are there, and it doesn't have admin portion separately. It doesn't have admin folder separately. It have include file. So include file contain config, and the footer, you want to change something in the footer, you can change in the footer. So let's change here. Okay. Take it as smart. Fine. So footer you can change. What is other folder, guy? Sidebar is there. So something color you want to change in the sidebar. Top bar is there. So these are the main page. These are the main page which is coming frequently. And as per convention, we keep in separate file. So maintenance of this thing become easy. Okay. So maintenance of the system become easy. So what is next here? Important guy in this project. Database is there. SQL file is there. Report file. So report this PDF file are there. Report this PDF file are there. Fine. So what is next? All are PHP page, nothing important. Here readme text is there. So readme text contain the login credential for admin. Readme text contain the login credential for admin. And in this project, only one login is there, that is admin. User don't have to do anything, don't have to create login. He can register themselves, and he can track all the report or status history based on the number. Okay. So in terms of report, guy, I'm showing you the report. So report files, project report is there, project report is there. So COVID TMS report is there. A screenshot and all, something more is required to put here. Source code is required. Otherwise, it is having 35 pages. 10 pages, it can increase anytime if we put the screenshot and the coding part. Fine. So this is one of the project, guy. So any question as of now? Do you have any question, guy? As of now, do you have any question? Please, if you have anyone have question, please ask me. I will be happy to reply you. I will be very happy to reply you about this project. What should be there in the project? If you feel anything, you can ask me. Fine. So this is all about the project. Second project now, after 5 minutes, I am going to start and explain. So second project is going to be curfew pass. Okay. Second project is going to be curfew pass. Anyone, any question, guy? Okay, good. So we are going to see here, admin are getting to be involved. He is going to make different group and going to assign you the project. It will be shared with your Google Drive. Okay. Or if a student can give the name, write the name. I share one file. I share one file. I create a file in Google Drive. Okay. I am going to process this. I'm going to create a file in Google Drive, and I'm going to give this project name, and let a student write the name. Okay. So fine, guy. Anyone else having question? This is right question. And this given me a lot of solution. I am going to create one file where I am going to create one file where I am going to type the name. So which a student want which project, you can type the name, accordingly it will be shared. So next project is curfew pass. So I'm going to have 2-minute break and I'm going to continue this curfew pass, and class is going to till 7 p.m. guy. Okay. So at least 2 projects we are going to explain. Don't run anyone. Be here. I'm going to start soon, just 5-minute break I want. Okay. I'm going to run the project. So you can have a look. I think anybody can operate here. No. Let's share the screen. Share the screen again. So which project is going to be next? That is curfew pass. So how to run this project? Rename here. Come to the here localhost a project. Our all projects are in this folder. So just give the project name. It is going to run. So let's have a look on this project. I will start soon, within 2 minutes. So I hope, guys, you are able to see my screen. Correct? So this project is displayed. And this is what about this project? This project is about curfew pass. So are you aware of curfew pass? What you mean by curfew pass? Anyone can tell me? So you may have heard during the COVID, curfew pass was getting issued by the government for different operations, correct? So like a general pass, hospital pass, marriage pass, search employee pass, this pass was there. Okay. So here patient can, any person who required this had to go to the office and had to apply there, and government official was issuing the pass to them. Okay. And those pass was valid, and this can be validated across anywhere. So that was the benefit of the system. You see here, all type of pass search is available here. So anyone coming, suppose any police person is sitting on any check post and person is coming, because in the start what's happened, a lot of duplicate pass people started making and going. Okay, so let's see what admin can do. So this is the about us section. Something is there. You can change at any point. So home section, here search button is there. Here some information is there. It was also having some everyday daily update. How many cases there, how much death is there, how much migrated, how much active. Okay, in India and Karnataka. So this is the website. So here footer is there. Fine. So you just have the C structure of this project. So curfew pass. So like other project, this is also having the same kind of a structure. It have one admin part. So main operation is in admin part. User part are very less also. Okay, user part is very less, because here process was admin will go to the user will go to the office and he will get the pass. So project is having report, and project is using CSS, images, include having this main file, DB connection. So what kind of connection is there? How we can connect DB? Anyone having question here, guy? Anyone having question in the DB connection? No. Fine. So here we have defined the constant, and we have declared localhost root in the password in the databases CPMS. CPMS stands for Curfew Pass Management System. We have given in short. In using the PHP PDO method, we have made the connection. Okay. And this is the connection object which is going to be used in the program. So let's get logging to the admin. Once you click here, so here it is going, user is going to be admin, and password I hope test@123. Test@123. So this is the admin section, guy. Have a look on this, and feel free to ask anything here. So any question, guy, here? This is referred as dashboard. So anyone when log into the dashboard, he should see the brief of the system. So total purpose category, for how many category they are issuing the pass. So general purpose is 4, marriage purpose 2 has been issued, hospital 1 has been issued, total hospital visit pass is 2, and total employee movement pass is 1. So this kind of dashboard. So here, based on the category, first we create category. So add category, so here we can create category. Okay. So general purpose, add category, manage category. So we can see here. So general purpose have category. So general purpose having category like that. So general purpose, what are the category guy here? Logistic deliveries, pass was required for cleaning services, pass was required for essential services, pass was required e-commerce delivery boy, medical supply. This for this category, government was issuing the pass. So here admin can edit this, delete this, he can create some new. He can make one. We can delete this. Yes, we deleted. So now that category is gone. So general purpose pass. Then generate pass. So when anyone visit the office, it is going to be generated. So let's generate one general pass. So Nandini, I'm going to generate one pass for Nandini. N-A-N-D, give some spelling. Some contact number, let's give this contact number. Some email ID. So let's make a email ID. Identity type, PAN card. Number, some number, category. So cleaning service, essential services. Fine. From which date to which date pass is required? So from 9th till 30th. Add this. So pass detail has been added. So pass detail has been added. So how it can help Nandini? So Nandini required the printed pass. Manage pass. View this. Print this. So her pass can be printed and government official can give here. So let print here and keep. Later we can see. Fine. So her pass has been printed and she received there. Okay. So suppose he is passing somewhere. So here some pass. Okay. So this is the pass. So pass ID is this. This is the pass ID. It is not editable. So be required to type the number. Be required to type the number and get from somewhere. So pass ID is 57387959518. So let's get this number. So she has got for general pass. Search here. Yes. So any police person can validate that pass is valid. Pass creation date is this. From date this to date this. So the validity and the authenticity of the pass can be validated anytime. Even user can see search anytime. Suppose the person, any police, any check post, anytime can validate, even person can check their pass online, whether it's valid, not valid, by just having the number. Suppose number is there and the pass is missed, fine. So let again come to the admin login. So this is not only one type of pass is there, different type of pass is there. Pass for hospital. So we have kept separately here. Suppose someone is giving this clinic, that clinic, government cannot issue pass for everyone. So what provision we had made? We had made provision to create the hospital. Okay. And then hospital, so manage hospital, we can see all the hospital. And here we can generate separate pass for hospital, and identity type is similar to that. But here hospital, listed hospital should be there. Then only it can be generated. Suppose anyone is coming and asking for ABC clinic, so pass can be not generated. It have to be generated for a specific hospital which is listed under this site. Again, for the marriages, generate pass. So what is the specific information required for such pass? That's why separate section is created. Full name, full address, contact number, email, which side you are. He may be a bride side, bridegroom side, identity type, identity number, from location to location. In marriages, it is required, no, from location and which date to this date. Fine. So here filling all the detail, person can get the marriage attending pass, and its tab will be marriage. Similar way, employee, different company employee required pass. So here also pass can be generated. Okay, company name have to type. It is, we cannot list so many company are there. Fine. So pass for employee is there. So manage pass, we can see who are the employee. So it, admin can view it. Admin can print this and give, or admin, if you want, he can edit this or he can update it. Fine. So this is the admin section guide. So admin can do these operations. So what are the basic operations are here? The basic purpose of this project is to generate different type of pass based on the category, and different category have some different kind of criteria and different kind of information, and this pass can be verified. This pass can be verified in the user section or any third user. Okay. So here search is also there. I think most of the section have the search. Any section you go, search will be there. So anyone come with this and say that can you verify? So immediately admin can see the category and go to the search and can find. So this is curfew pass management system. This is curfew pass management system. In user person can verify here. He can see some information. He can see some COVID update here in this site. So this was the use of making this site. This kind of such system has been came here from different hospital or different volunteers, organization, or from government. Okay. So let's have a look on this. Here SQL file is there from where you can import the database. Its database was pre-created, so I not imported. Now I'm going to do one project where I'm going to create the database. Okay, so about a page, anytime you want, you can change it. It is a simple static page. Curfew you pass portal. So about us, anytime you want, you can change this. Nothing is a special. See here, interns team. You can write your name. Suppose you are submitting this project, you can write your name. So similarly, index page already I shown you, and readme text have username and password. Readme text having user one pass ID is there, pre-created pass ID. Let's check. This is there or this is not there. System is running. So here became in past here. No. So maybe not there. This is old data. No. So wait whether my probably it will be not there. So that is old data. Don't have to worry. So this is having two person guy. One is user person, one is admin person. So this is all about this project. And project is report is there. You go through the project report. It's having the project report. So something is synopsis. So synopsis will be just brief something about this system. So just something is there about this system. So you will be receiving this, and complete project is here. So develop by something you can give. This thing will delete and give. You can write about your college. Okay. So you can write about your college. Curfew pass portal, e-pass portal, whatever name you give. Curfew e-pass portal. But when you are going to submit project type, before that you work here really on project and report on design and the look and feel, and some additional page also based on your knowledge you can add here. Okay, so 5960 page is there, and some enhancement in report also you can do. So all the screenshots are there. Suppose you change something, photo and all in a screenshot, you can retake the photo. Fine. This is about this project guy. Just after 2-3 minutes, I am going to start another project. As of now, here, anyone have any question can ask. Anyone having any question, guy? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so did you understood? Can you tell about, I want to listen, what is this project curfew pass from you? Will you able to explain? Other can listen. Just 2 lines. Are you confident to tell? Let us start. So what about this project curfew pass? What is this curfew pass and what are the functionalities there? I was talking about last 30 minutes here. So can you tell about something about this? Did you understood? Did you understood the functionality of the project?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you will not able to explain, tell 2-3 lines. Fine. If you tell, it will be good. If you don't tell also, it's okay. So next project, I'm going to do news portal. Fine. I'm going to run news portal. So news portal report is also there. And ER diagram, RPT, everything is there. Fine. So I'm going to explain this news portal. So you know any news portal guy? Anyone? NDTV? So how generally these news channels are there? So here headings are there. Here ads are also coming. Fine. So we are going to look our news portal also. Okay. We are going to look our news portal also. So shortly I'm going to start this. Give me just 2-minute break. I will be taking and then I will be starting. Be here. I hope you are not in hurry or anybody is in hurry to go. Anybody is in hurry guy to go? No. So we will be running this local host in our project is there where a project report, and this time we are not going to run this one. So let's open this file directly. And next I'm going to news portal 2021. So it is giving some error. I'm going to find why the error is there. So may I just try to read guy what kind of error this is there. If anybody can suggest me. वाकई ये नहीं जरूरी है कि घर जाके कर देंगे कभी 2 और 3 और 4 बजे तो देख लें 4 बजे 5 बजे की छुट्टी है इन्होंने पिछले के सुबह 2 दिन से खड़ी है उससे पहले बंदा तो वो भी जाते तो फॉलो तो कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हैं सारा कुछ है मेडिसिन भी कर सकता है आराम से
ज्यादा complex code में ज्यादा simple code अच्छा वो उसके लिए ना इसी से बन जाएगा प्रोग्राम होगा उसमें जो है ना वो जो एडिटर है वो अगर डाल देंगे ना तो उसमें आप अपने हिसाब से उसको एडिट करके सेव कर दीजिएगा प्रोग्राम दिखाते हैं हमको बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल नहीं बनाना है हमको जो पढ़ाते हैं वही मटेरियल है ना उसको आप डेटाबेस में सेव कीजिएगा तो जो एडिटर जो आता है वो किस तरह एडिटिंग कर रहे हैं उसमें डालिएगा आपको एडिट कोड आपको कॉपी कर लेकिन यहाँ लेफ्ट में अच्छी हो क्लिक करें तो काम हो जाए फिर एडिटर के साथ वहाँ पे चेक करें हाँ उसके लिए आपको हाई लेवल पर जाना या उसको कोड पे इम्प्लीमेंट करवाना है तो बहुत सारा वेबसाइट वो चीज करता है उसका बहुत सारा वो चीज करता है लाइन डेमो करता है कल सेट कर रहा है अगर व्यू डेमो पर क्लिक करो तो जैसे कि जैसे कि आप ये चाह रहे हैं प्रोग्राम में से एक कोड सेव है वहां पे बटन है उस पर क्लिक हो तो उसका जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो रिजल्ट प्रोजेक्ट में हमने तो ऐसे भी दिखेगा कॉपी पेस्ट करके साइड से एडिट कर देंगे साइड करते रहेंगे इससे भी बन जाएगा देखना उसमें
Yes. So did anyone find guy? What is the problem? Why it was not, why the error is there? So it is saying clearly, that unknown database news portal. So let's go and create database. So where we should create this database guy? In MySQL. So MySQL is working here and I am going to create here new database. Okay, I'm going to create new database. News portal. Create. Okay. News portal. So database got created, but no table is there. See here, it's coming. The minus sign is coming. Many things you have to start experiencing. Here, where tables are there, you will find this plus sign. But here tables are not there. Here it is having minus sign. So news portal, click on the news portal, and I am going to import database here. So here import option is there. Be required to choose the file where scripts are there. Click here, come to this curfew pass. No, we are not into curfew pass. Where we are into guy? News portal, okay? News portal, so SQL file, select this database. So now we are going to create this database. Now we are importing the script, so database tables are going to be created. If you are able to see, you can see that here it's just a rounding. Fine. So all the database got created guy. So this is the way of creating database. You come here, create a database, and then if you have a script file, you can import. Okay. So now all the database is ready guy. Here TVL admin is one admin, and here some password is there. I am not aware of this password. So what I am going to do guy, I am going to delete these. Okay. I'm going to replace this password. So from where I should get this password, new password? See, one thing is there. If we want to come here, just now we had created one database. and here admin was having, okay, so here admin was having one password, and this password is known to me. This password, though this is an encrypted password, but it is known to me. What is this password, guy? test@123. Okay, so this password I'm taking and I'm canceling this. I'm coming back here and I'm going to the news portal admin. So whether this news portal admin, so here it is there. Click on the TBL admin, click on edit. So here we are going to edit. So why I'm editing that? Because we required password to log in, correct? We required password to log in. Here we are going to give test. Click on go, so it is going to be updated. Come to the news portal system, refresh this. Is any change? Yeah. So we find some change. Shah hold meeting with any state leader in Manipur. Okay. So these are the news, and all news are very old. So what you required, guy, you require to create new news here. Then only anybody will come to your site. So how you can create new news? Who is going to create new news here? And here, see, news are there based on the category. Top also, it is politics is separately, business is separately, international is there. So you want anything else? You want to make news for Bangalore, you want to make news for the placement. So whatever requirement is there, accordingly you can make that. So how we can create news here? How we can create news here? So here, guy, we require to log. There is a admin panel. What you have not seen. If you will see the project, so which project we are talking, guy? We are talking about news portal. So here having one admin section, and also we are going to change its name. We are going to change its name from news portal, just news portal, or we can make 2022. That is not there, that is not required. So it is a news portal. Now it is going to be, I change the folder name to news portal. Fine. Now you refresh, this is news portal. So this is having one section admin, which is link is not given here. So what you required, how you can log into admin? Here you type admin. So when you type admin here, news portal admin login, and here user is admin, and we change password test@123. I hope to get it login. Yes, so we get it login. So here dashboard say 5 category, listed subcategory 7, live news 4. So category is there, add category, manage category. So manage category, business, fine. So business, politics, entertainment, sports. So these are, it depends on, you don't want business, you are not a businessman, you can delete this. So how well done category is deleted. So we are going to add. So a student want placement. Placement news a student want. So create a placement category. Okay. So here I created a category for placement, submit. So what is the placement news, guy? Any news is there where we can create here. So manage category, I can say now it is a placement. So subcategory, add subcategory. So what subcategory? Alex, select category is placement. So what placement is there, guy? IT placement. IT placement, fine. All IT job. Submit here. So this category got created, fine. So we required post. So add post, we are going to add the post. So which category we are going? Related to placement. So what is subcategory? IT placement. So what is the news guy? IT placement. IT placements in 2022. Let's get some news. Let's get some news. Shiksha Bangalore Institute of Technology placement. No, I don't want to give any particular college which IT has best performance. CMR Institute placement. IT placement. IT jobs. I'm keeping IT jobs in 2022. So top 15 best paying job in technology. This was simple. This is also some training. So make this only as a heading. So this only I can make as a heading. Fine. This I want, this should be displayed from my side. So what is the description guy here? So highest paying jobs, save this photo. So this photo is coming of different tab. If we make this html.html, so no, this is not, we couldn't get, we'll get some other photo. So what is the content? Best paying IT job. Okay, so if here best paying IT job, is any content is here? So I'm going to this, I'm going to keep in description. So here we can make something let. So this we can make it bold, already bold. I can change some background color. So color also we can change. Some alignment we can fit. Okay. So it asks about some photo. So here I'm going to get one photo, images. So I downloaded one photo and I'm going to use this. Its type is not right. So suppose we get something different. Okay, I have some photo. I'm selecting here, save and post. So well done, post is successfully, and here we require to come and check. Fine. So see guys, this is the latest news is on the top. So how the news portal work? Latest news by default, it is on the top. Okay. So anyone, and suppose tomorrow new news are going to come, it is going to down, but here also it will be saying, and again you can find placement. So placement, if you click right now, it is coming like that. So I cannot see anywhere else. No, we can see here. So no news is there. A sports, some news is there. We kept on 18 only. Fine. Politics also some news is there. Saha old meeting. Business also some news is there. So user, depending on their interest, they can filter it and they can read here, or they can type and search here, or latest news will be displayed. Okay, he can go also previous page, first page, next page. Okay, so about us, politics, business, international, contact, these things are there. So guys, tomorrow I'm going to start this again, giving some stress on this project, and we'll move later. Now time is up. and I have class further, so I cannot continue. So thank you, guys. Anyone having any question, any difficulty, let us know.